Did you know na naay hidden restaurant sa my downtown that serves very delicious comfort food? This is my random kitchen. Hello again guys! So for today's episode, kauban ako ang vlogger friends and mag-dinner mi diri sa my random kitchen. It is located at Monteverde Street guys. So makita niyo yung Monteverde na. And this is Sequoia Inn. And then tapad lang yun kaayo siya sa Sequoia Inn. And this is where my random kitchen is exactly located. And in front lang siya aning Chinese grocery store. Tara guys, I'll give you a quick tour of the place. Pagsulod ninyo guys, quite small lang yun siya na lugar. Mga around 25 people pod ang kasya at the same time. They are open every day from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. This is their menu guys. Feel free to pause it na lang to check out all their food and drinks offerings. And kanina part sa video, ipang flash na ko quickly ang tanang food na amuang na try that night. Honestly, I was actually surprised kay for a small and new restaurant kay daghan na day kaayo pod silag mga mains. Syempre guys, dili pod mawala ang appetizers like this one right here and naapo day sila'y salad. Diba guys, itsura pa lang mouth-watering na kaayo ning mga food nila. Now, I'll be honest guys, I actually tried a bit of everything pero nalang dyan mga pagkaon na nitatak sa ako that night. And mauni sila ang nakalivog impression sa ako. First na tong itry is kaning sinigang nila na soup. Guys, I swear lami kay siya and perfect kay sa ulan-ulan na gabi. Next na pud na kong gitry is the chicken wonton soup. This was actually pretty good guys. It kinda reminded me of the soup na ginaserve sa akong in-laws kada na ay mag-birthday sa ilaha. Kanang miswa good na soup ang tawag guys. Yes, kana akong ma-remember ani. Next na pud na kong gitry is the spinach dip for appetizers. And in fairness guys, as somebody na ganahan og spinach lately, this one did not disappoint. Naka-happy dance good ko ani guys. Yes, it was really good. Perfect na appetizer. Next na kong gitry is the shrimp gambas and in fairness, I really liked it a lot and plus points kay dili siya halang guys. Up next is the creamy spinach pasta. And in fairness guys, this one did not disappoint as well. Dili makasumol ang timplada. Next na pud akong gitry is the carbonara. And same sa creamy spinach pasta kay dili sad makasumol ang iyahang timplada. Naka-happy dance pud ko ani guys. It was so good. Next is the puting adobo. Now, I don't know why puting adobo ang tawag pero in fairness as an adobo lover, lami ni siya. It did not disappoint. Unya, diri na ta guys. This is the peri-peri chicken. Now, sa sugod guys, pag try na ko, nalamian ko guys pero ang problema murag wait lang guys, halang man di ay kaayo ni oh my gosh, wala ko nag-expect. To the rescue gud ang akong tubig ani. Guys, lami siya ha, don't get me wrong, pero halang lang gid siya for me. I was also able to try their garlic chicken and this one was delicious as well. I really like the templada. Garlicky gyud kaayo siya. Just the way I like it. Karon na part guys, kay mag-overall rating na pud ko sa my random kitchen. I give their food a solid 9 out of 10. As for the location, I give it 9 out of 10 maski medyo hidden siya. Pero in fairness, naaman po'y parking space for all. Para sa ako guys, you should definitely add my random kitchen to your list. So katulang guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!